We have assisted stationary lunge. So the assistance could come from a box on one side or a box on either side. You could hold on to a ring like you'll see in the reverse lunges, but this is just one way to do it. So we have a mat here for your back knee, which optimally we want to softly touch to the floor for a full range of motion. So when we're standing, both the knees are almost fully extended. We are on your toes for your back foot. If you keep your back foot flat, you're going to end up twisting your feet where your toes are going to point outwards, and that's going to give you that flat foot, quote unquote, look. And this, when you are on your toes for your back foot, this is, we'll say, a more of an athletic position, but this could apply more for the correct walking technique. So as we go down, the back knee bends. We are putting a good balanced amount of weight on both legs. You might slightly put a little bit more weight onto the front leg, maybe 60% as we go down. So the front knee bends, back knee bends. We're trying to stay very upright with our body. You might see a little lean as I do this, and I'm putting a little bit of weight onto my arms. So there might be a slight imbalance. So you're keeping the front foot nice and flat. You're pressing evenly through that. And you're using the glutes, your butt of this front leg, and the quads and the hamstrings. This back leg, you might feel a little more pressure on the knee or the thigh, the front of the thigh being utilized. So because it could put some pressure on the back leg, the thigh and the knees, that's why you want to first start off with this assistance. So you are taking some of your body weight away from just your legs, and you're helping with your upper body. That's the assisted stationary lunge.